The Foley category has some of the most often needed sounds for many video projects, and today we're going to see how fast and easy it is to perform these sound effects in Krotos Studio. Here we have the basic cloth preset, and you can see two XY pads, one for level and pitch, and one for material type. To trigger these sounds, click inside the left XY pad. You can do short clicks for shorter sounds, or long clicks for longer sounds. For more dynamic movements, click and drag in different directions around the XY pad. Experiment with these gestures to create high quality organic sound effects for your videos. Click and drag the dot in the right XY pad to select a material type. You can use a single sound by positioning the dot in one of the corners, or combine materials by positioning the dot between the corners. Place the dot in the center for a combination of all four sounds. There are many presets with a versatile set of materials to cover all kinds of clothing. You could combine the leather from basic cloth with the jeans from hiking cloth for casual outfits, or the velcro from basic cloth 2 with the backpack from hiking cloth for bag rustles, closes and opens. Once you are happy with your sound effects, simply drag them out onto your timeline. It's that easy. The Foley category also has button-based interfaces. The door presets feature numerous buttons to trigger different sounds. You get a new sound every time you click, meaning your sound effects don't become repetitive. The button-based interfaces are found throughout the Foley category for light switches, keyboards, metal lockers, padlocks and more. And there are plenty more gesture-based presets from everything from paper and plastic bags to gun handling and underwater sounds. Sign up for free today and get started creating Hollywood sound in seconds.